Acceleration is the process of bringing forward completion or key dates compared to the accepted program. It involves changing how the works are carried out to finish earlier than originally planned. Acceleration typically includes more labour or longer working hours, additional plant or resources, resequencing activities. Acceleration is triggered via Clause 36 of the NEC ECC. The project manager initiates the process. The PM instructs the contractor to provide a quotation for acceleration. The contractor must submit a revised program showing earlier completion, methodology changes, and cost of achieving acceleration. So what is the contractor's position? The contractor is not obliged to accelerate. They are only required to provide a quotation when instructed. So what happens after the quotation? The project manager can accept the quotation, leading to acceleration proceeding, reject it, leading to no acceleration, or request a revised quotation. If accepted, it becomes a compensation event. Prices are increased and completion date is brought forward. Acceleration versus mitigation is an important distinction. Mitigation, contractor's obligation to reduce delay impact, usually no additional payment. Whereas under acceleration, a deliberate instruction or agreement to finish earlier is produced, and the contractor is paid for additional cost. Acceleration is often used where the client benefits from early completion. There are key risks to consider. Contractor accelerates without formal agreement, they may not recover costs. On a poorly defined scope, disputes can occur over what was included. The best practice is to ensure clear instruction, quotation, and acceptance before starting. Practical examples include working weekends or night shifts, increasing crew sizes, bringing forward design or procurement activities, overlapping activities that were originally sequential. Key takeaways. Acceleration under NEC ECC is optional, client-driven, and commercially agreed. It must be properly instructed and accepted to ensure time and cost are both adjusted fairly. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.